Hello my wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couch Wasabi. So it's my first winter experience and today I'm going to be sharing with you my winter skincare routine. So if this is something that you'd want to see, please keep watching. Alright, so now I truly understand why they say you have to have a separate winter skincare routine and a separate ordinary weather skincare routine. I've never experienced winter. This is my first time to ever experience it. Good thing I was able to pack winter essentials. So I've never had my skin experience winter. So this time, my skin is normally combination dry, but in winter, it's just super dry. So I normally experience dryness around my lips. Very, very dry. It sometimes gets very, very painful. And my normally combination area is just normal, so it gets drier than usual. So aside from using face masks like this from Dr. Morita and this lip mask that I picked up earlier, I also like using this opalite roller as soon as I put on my mask. So on a daily basis, I like using my Face PIXIE oxygenated foam facial wash. This is a good facial cleanser that removes all the makeup debris from your face. And after that, I like spritzing my face with this 4th Ray Beauty Fresh AF Mist. So this is a very, very lightweight facial mist. It has rose in it. It smells like rose, but not over-empoweringly rose. So that's really, really nice and fresh. After that, I like using my Face PIXIE Pure Hydration Serum. So for this, the active ingredient is hyaluronic acid plus oligopeptide. So those are very, very nourishing. It replenishes your skin with its natural moisture. And you know how great hyaluronic acid is for your skin. It's like the key ingredient, especially if you are living in a winter area. I like using my Face PIXIE Beauty Tool and put it on my moisture mode. So that's the second mode. And I make sure that everything is absorbed efficiently by my skin. After that, after I feel that the hyaluronic acid is already deep within my skin, I top it off with this. It's 4th Ray Beauty Radiate. So basically, this is a very, very stable vitamin C serum. It's a bi-phase product, meaning it separates in time. So you have to shake it first before you put a few drops on your palm and rub it in and pat it on your skin. Same thing with this. The way you apply this one is the same thing with this. So this one is basically vitamin C, and it protects your skin from oxidation. It protects your skin and gives your skin that brighter and more luminous complexion. So it's sort of like a glow serum, but it's not that bam. So it just gives your skin an overall healthy, supple looking glow. And I also like patting in some of this Clinique Moisture Surge around my lips. So in the morning after I wash my face, my lips, this area normally gets super duper dry, like very painfully dry. So I put this on, just pat it around my lips to make sure that it's moisturized. And I top it all off with my favorite Caticorn Dreams Happy Beans Paw Balm. So this is actually applicable for your pets, but you can have a separate stick for your lips. So after all these are done, at night I like to top it off with this. It's called Lovely Wrinkle Eye Cream, just to give your eye area moisture surge. Here are my winter essentials, starting with my facial wash, my serum, my mist, my eye serum, and of course my facial vitamin C. Plus, I just got these lip masks for my dehydrated lip area. And of course, my favorite, my Face PIXIE. It's an all-in-one portable dermatologist, to be honest. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video and share it on your Facebook wall if you think it's helpful. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!